Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTube World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Facebook app and settings on Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the Microsoft Store. So here there have lots of installer free apps which is free. So we will click here. It is downloading. See, it has done. So click open. Now I will open from the search options here Facebook. See the Facebook apps below. This have written the app. So we'll click here or here open. We will enter previous. I have enter. So already I have settings the username as well as the password. So login. So it has been log. See the same options has been declared here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.